Hey coders, cheers. Let's format together in this video our paragraphs in the HTML. So as you see, we have different kinds of formatting in HTML. You can tell you have some bold, italic, emphasized, small, something highlighted, something is deleted, something is inserted, something is subscripted, and something is superscripted. So let's go through them. So we'll get started. The first formatting I'm gonna show you is the bold formatting. We do that by writing the tag B, opening and closing, and in between we write anything. If we check now, we'll see that the text is a bit bolder than usual. So let me show you the usual text. Why not? So to do that, I will just create a paragraph. This paragraph will have like normal, usual, paragraph or formatting. Now, if we check, there is a difference between the normal, usual formatting and the bold one. Now, the second thing that I want to introduce for you is the strong formatting. And usually that gives some strong importance for this text. This text is important. Now, we can tell that the texts are in front of each other. The reason behind that, these formatting don't create a break line like the paragraph. So to do that, we can put it inside a paragraph. Let's do that. Or we can just use the tag BR, which make a break line. Now, if we check, we see normal, usual formatting, bold formatting, and the strong formatting. So the difference between the bold and the strong is basically that the bold just makes the text bold, but it doesn't give it any importance, although the strong tag give it some importance. And this helps in the SEO, which is the search engine optimization, but that's a bit advanced topic. We'll keep it for later. So now let's check how to make italic text. To do that, I will just write this text is italic. Now if we check, guess what? It will be on the same line. Now I will use the second way to make a line, which is the BR tag. This BR tag, it will break and make a new line. In our case, let's just make 2 breaks just to still have the symmetry. And now let's check the emphasized formatting. To do that, we open the tag EM and we close it and we write in between something like this text is emphasized. And don't forget, guys, don't forget the break line. I will do it directly 2 times. Let's go. Now you have a way to write a small text. I will start by making a break line here, and let's open the tag small and close it. And inside this, I will write basically this text is small. But I hope you can see the difference. If we zoom it a bit, you will be able to see the difference between this one and the usual one. It's a bit smaller. Now let's learn how to mark stuff and highlight them with yellow. So usually the default color of Chrome is yellow. Let's do it. So to do that, I will create now a paragraph. In this paragraph, I will be writing the following. And give me your attention, guys. Give me your attention here. It's very important. I want to write the following. Do not forget to subscribe. Coding with Shad. Now, as you see, do not forget to subscribe. Coding with Shad. Do not forget to subscribe, guys. Now, let's highlight and mark Code with Shad. To mark that, we just go and open the tag mark and we close it directly after this word. Now, if we check, we'll see that Code with Shad is marked. And it's for a reason, because it's the best channel out there. Now, the next formatting we want to learn together, guys, is the deletion. So I will be just pasting a paragraph to save some time. So we have the P paragraph, as you see, and then we have that my favorite language is, and then we have the open tag DAL, which stands for deletion or delete. Haskell. Haskell is another programming language, and we have JavaScript written here. So what we are doing is we are deleting Haskell, and my favorite language is JavaScript. If we check now, guys, let's save and check. You see that Chrome striked a line through Haskell, and that's what we want. So we can do now the same thing, but with letting the browser know that we are inserting something new instead of our deletion. So to do that, let me type it word for word now. Focus with me. We open the paragraph tag. After opening the paragraph tag, write anything, obviously. So let's just write my favorite channel is, we have any other coding channel, and we have Coding with Shad. What we want to do now, we want to delete this any other coding channel. So by deleting, I mean like we want to let Chrome strike a line through this any other coding channel, and we want to insert Code with Shad. So to do that, let me just clean a bit. So what we want to do is the following. We want to first use the deletion, right? So let's take the deletion and put it there, and be sure that any other coding channel is in between. That's the first step we want to do. Now the second step we want to do, let me make it cleaner for you. So as you see, my favorite channel is, and then we have this line, we are deleting any other coding channel, and then we want to be sure that we are inserting. So to insert, we want to open the tag ENS, stand for inserting, and we grab the closing tag for it after Coding with Shad. Now if we save and go to the browser, you will see the difference between this example and the example before is just that when we use the insert tag, Chrome tends to underline this insertion that we've done, which is Code with Shad. So focus on the sentence, coders. Your favorite channel should be Code with Shad, and any other coding channel should be deleted. No, I'm just kidding. Keep any other channels. Let's grow as coders. And I will be showing you now how to make a text subscripted and superscripted. So to do that, I'm gonna open a paragraph tag. In it, I'm gonna write this is a, and then we have subscripted text. The same thing, I'm gonna copy the same paragraph and just write superscripted. So now to make this word really subscripted and the other one superscripted, we need to use the tags sub and sub. So now you know the game. You are a better coder because you are following my videos video for video. That's why you know it's easy, right? You just open the tag as usual, you write sub, you close the tag, and then you take the closing tag for sure after the word. So you want to be sure that the word that you want to subscript is in between the subscript tag. The same thing is with the sub tag, which is the superscript tag. So to do that, we want to surround this word by sub. Let's do it, guys. Now let's check it. Whoa, it looks good, man. I love the symmetry. Subscripted, superscripted, and subscribe my channel, guys, to be a better coder. See you.